This is TWiT.
All right, it's time for beer.
It's time for beer. And I've done some picks from these guys before. Evil Twin Brewing, based in Brooklyn. They finally opened their tap room in Brooklyn. I went this weekend. The thing to know about Evil Twin is they make great beer, but also their beer names are really long and often hilarious. One of the beers I had this weekend was called "These Drinks Are So Expensive, Do I Have to Tip?" That's the name of the beer.
I'd like a "These drinks are so expensive, do I have to tip?"
Yep. And
That's
then I ordered,
hard to order.
Then I ordered, why don't we just take the subway to JFK instead? And the guy goes, what? And I said, the Subway JFK beer. And he's like, oh, yeah, gotcha. Right.
What?
But the beer I'm choosing today from Evil Twin is called The Sour IPA is Dead. Long live the Sour IPA.
Amazing.
And this beer is delicious. It's made with raspberries and dragon fruit, but also with nutmeg and cinnamon. So when you think of those together, you're like, wait, what? But it tastes delicious. It's like a dessert, but it's not that sweet. And you know what? This must be a new trend in beers because I've been having a lot of pink sour beers lately that have these things called baking spices, like allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg.
Yeah.
And it really works somehow. It sounds terrible when you just hear it, but it actually is delicious. So if you see any sour beers with things like cinnamon and nutmeg, give it a try.
Beer really is cooking, isn't it?
It pretty much is.
Yeah.
Yep.
Instead of baking it, though, you let it ferment.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's chemistry.
It's chemistry.
It is.
Well, cooking's
Totally
chemistry. I mean, always been.
Yep.
Cooking's always been chemistry. In fact, one of my favorite cookbooks is, I think it's called Cooking Chemistry or something like that. It's a wonderful cookbook because it's about...
not the Nathan Myhrvold 1,100-page treatise.
No.
Yeah.
I am not a Nathan
Gastronomical you.
Myhrvold fan. Can I just say?
You don't like insane cackling geniuses?
You just don't like his
weird.
patent trolling. I'm assuming.
Yeah,
Right,
there's
that
a
too.
number of things, and honestly, there's starting to be
Some
stuff
ethical
coming
problems there.
out. Yeah, that I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say because I don't want to. I don't know, but it's starting to be some stuff coming out about this whole thing
Yeah.
that it's not,
Yeah.
Yeah.
not savory, shall we say?
Yes.
But that beer sure sounds savory.
It is. It's very delicious.